Today we are making 5 healthy high protein snacks to fix our evening cravings. Protein popcorn is the perfect, easy, healthy, high protein snack to eat in front of your TV. It contains only 96 kilocalories for 3 cups and 12 grams of protein. All you need is to pop some corn in the microwave for 3 minutes, add a bit of oil spray, your favorite vanilla protein powder, some cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and toss to combine. If it doesn't stick, just spray a bit more oil, but overall, that's it, it's ready in 3-4 minutes. This chocolate protein yogurt is a perfect healthy high protein snack for evening chocolate craving with only 200 kilocalories and 29 grams of protein. It takes barely 2 minutes to make. I'm using some plain yogurt, some unsweetened cocoa powder, chocolate protein powder, a bit of soy milk, and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. I also like to add a layer of peanut butter on top using powdered peanut butter simply because it has less calorie and less fat, but you can also use regular peanut butter and this layer is optional. The yogurt tastes a bit like a chocolate pudding, but it's high protein, it has less calorie, and it's so delicious to fix your chocolate cravings at evening. Ice cream lovers, you need to try this protein pineapple Dole Whip with 160 kilocalories for 20 grams of protein. This is the best ice cream to keep you full at evening. It's a high protein snack for evening that you can make in just 5 minutes in the blender using some frozen pineapple chunks, a bit of vanilla protein powder, some vegan yogurt of choice, and a bit of soy milk. Adjust the milk until it gets the texture you love, and that's it. I like to serve mine with a piping bag because it looks beautiful with a swirl, but you can absolutely eat this by the spoon. This protein trail mix is an easy, healthy, high protein snack for evening sweet and salty cravings. All you need is a jar and some nuts. I'm using almond, cashew, some pumpkin seed, some dry fruits. I'm using cranberries and some protein cereals. I'm using cinnamon crunch. They are sugar-free and vegan. The link is in the video description. Some roasted edamame. They are salty and very high in protein. A few dark chocolate chips, and that's it. You can store this protein trail mix up to a month in the pantry. This protein hot chocolate is a healthy high protein snack for evening chocolate cravings with only 138 kilocalories and 18 grams of protein. I can guarantee that this is gonna keep you full. All you need is 2 minutes to make it. You need a bit of unsweetened cocoa powder, your favorite chocolate protein powder, some soy milk for a boost of protein. Froth the milk, combine the dry ingredient with the liquid, and that's it. You've got a high protein and low calorie hot chocolate to enjoy in front of your TV after dinner.